Let me show you how I make my super pretty glittery pens. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I start with Ink Joy gel pens, and I take it apart. I unscrew the cap and take the innards out, and I'm using some bamboo skewers that I put some tape on, and I put the little end on that. Now I'm removing the little clip, and you can twist it off or you can use cutters, and then you sand it down. You're going to clean your pen off, and I have this pen on a dowel, and I had to put some masking tape on it. All right, so once it's all cleaned and on your dowel, you put some glitter glue. I'm using glitter glue. You could use Mod Podge if you wanted. I'm using glitter glue because it's non-toxic and I like it. And so you cover your pen, then I'm going to cover it with glitter. I'm going to do the same thing with the top, or the, what is that called? The tip of the pen. Do the same thing. Let it dry 2 hours. Do the same thing again. Glitter glue, then our glitter. I happen to be using some pesto glitter. It's from Michael's and I love it. Again, let it dry 2 hours. Then you're going to seal it, and I'm using the same glue. Glitter glue, put that on after the 2 hours, let it sit. After the 2 hours, we're going to start putting our grand finale on it. Now listen, I'm using grand finale because I can't use epoxy or resin. If you can, by all means, get her done, but I can't. So I do many layers. So how Grand Finale, Crystalac's Grand Finale works is it's many, many small, thin layers. I'm not putting this on a cup turner or a pen turner. I'm just letting it, I actually have floral foam, and I stick the dowel in it and let it drip dry. Each layer, you put a layer on, let it set for 2 hours. Put another layer on, let it set for 2 hours. See, now we're on layer 4. I know it sounds like a lot, but let me tell you, for those of us who can't use epoxy, this is like a whole new world. Now we can do pretty pens. We can sell them if we wanted. We can, make them for family and friends, whatever. All right, so then I let it dry for a good 4 hours, and then I sand it. You just want to make sure that you get any nubbies or whatever taken care of. Then wipe it down, and I do the same thing for the tip of the pen. Wipe it down again, and then now we go on, and now we're on layer number 5, and we're going to keep doing this. We want it to get it as smooth as possible. And again, each layer that you do, you're going to use less and less of the Crystalac, just because it's getting smoother and smoother, and it's shinier and shinier. So see, now we're on layer number 5. You can do as many as you want. It all depends on what kind of glitter you use. I'm using extra fine glitter, so it's going to take less layers for me, but whatever you want. Now, if you're going to be putting any vinyl or anything like that on after, you want it as smooth as possible. So here I've done all the layers. I let it dry 2 hours in between. This one dried for probably 3-4 hours. Now we're going to put our pen back together. And this is, I didn't put any vinyl or anything on this yet. I can't wait for you to see what I did with it, though. And yes, there will be another video with me showing you how I did it. But anyways, this is a pen. You could do all different colors. How perfect for the holidays. But look, wait. Look, I made him into Grinch. Stop it. Right? I mean, come on. If you don't like this, I'm just saying, this is my favorite thing right now. So stay tuned. Next video, I'm going to show you how I did the Grinchy part. All right, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.